1. Are you really thinking of moving abroad? A,
Things are improving all the time.
B,
It's something I'm considering.
C,
I thought that fraud was illegal.
2.
Do we need to pay the invoice now?
A,
I'll send it out in the morning.
B,
Now is the time to say so.
C,
It's not due for another week.
3.
Did it rain while you were out?
A,
There was a shower around noon.
B,
Fortunately, I feel the same way.
C,
I came back as soon as I heard.
4.
Is the electric bill higher than you expected?
A,
Bill is the electrician we hired last month.
B,
I expect to sell more electric cars in the future.
C,
It was a little lower, actually.
5.
Can this machine be upgraded?
A,
Yes, the screen seems to have faded.
B,
I don't see why not.
C,
The cafeteria needs to be renovated.
6.
Have you finished filing those receipts?
A,
I need a little more time.
B,
The seats are arranged as you asked.
C,
I can't fill them for a week.
7.
Can you please pass the stapler?
A,
It was clearly stated in the letter.
B,
I pass it on my way to work.
C,
Yes, here you are.
8.
Was the conference worth going to?
A,
A day pass costs $75.
B,
I didn't go to any presentations.
C,
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
9.
Will the museum be open until 7 tonight?
A,
Yes, all 7 of us are going.
B,
It closes at 6, I think.
C,
Tonight is the opening night.
10.
Sorry, but do you have the time?
A,
It's 10 after 11.
B,
Now's the time.
C,
It was in the summer, I think.